Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with what you are manifesting at the moment, and the Queen of Wands came through. So the message here is all about really connecting with that creative energy that you already have and really keeping that passion going for creating the things that you want, keeping the fire burning inside you. So you're creating something that you want, and it's about being passionate about that, keeping that passion going and focusing on why you want what you want. Why are you asking and desiring whatever it is you are wanting at the moment? And keep that passion behind what you are manifesting. That will help be the driving force to bring that manifestation in much faster if you keep focusing on why you're wanting it and your passion about why you are wanting the things that, or the thing that you want. All right, so really connect with that creative power. You're the creator of your reality, and you just need the passion behind that and to keep that fire burning in regards to it. Alrighty, hope you've enjoyed it. See ya.